Hello crochet friends and welcome back to Yarn Over Hook. My name is Sammy and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do a linked double crochet. This is probably one of the coolest stitches I have come across recently, and by recently I mean like a few hours ago. I came across it, had to make a swatch, and then I was like, okay, I need to show all of my crochet friends how to do the stitch. It is a double crochet, but they're all stitched together, so then there's like no air. There's no gapping. There's no, this is the coolest stitch I think I've come across in so long. And I'm really excited to show you how to do it. It is super, super simple. So let's hop to it. To start our linked double crochet, chain the number of stitches that you desire for your project and add 3. These last 3 chains are going to go into the first stitch that we make, so they will not count for your final stitch count. Turn your chain over. We're going to work into the bumps. You want to insert your hook into that second bump away from your hook. So skip that bump closest to your hook and go into that second one. Yarn over and then pull through. Skip the next bump and go into the 4th bump in your hook. Yarn over and pull through. So we'll have skipped the first bump, insert into the second, skip the 3rd bump, insert into the 4th. You'll end up with 3 loops on your hook once you yarn over and pull through. This is identical to a double crochet. You normally would have yarned over, insert your hook into the stitch and pull through, and you would have ended up with 3 loops on your hook. So now we're going to complete this just like a double crochet. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops only, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. And that is the first linked double crochet of our project. If you'll notice, we have a horizontal bar here that isn't typical of a double crochet. This is what we're going to insert our hook into every time we start our stitch. This is what links the double crochets. So insert your hook into that horizontal bar, yarn over, pull through. This is the loop that would normally be a yarn over for a double crochet. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, and pull through. 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops only, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. You can already start to see that horizontal bar detail come out. It is such a fun detail in this stitch. Let's keep going. You're going to do the same thing all the way until the end of your chain. Insert your hook into that horizontal bar, yarn over, pull through. Insert your hook into the next stitch or this bump, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. Insert your hook into that horizontal bar, yarn over, pull through. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. All right, we've finished the first row of our linked double crochet. It's already looking so cool. Once you've reached the end of your row, you're going to chain 3. You don't have to keep these very loose. You can give them a little bit more tension. If you do, I feel like the edges come out a little bit smoother. They can still be a little bit bumpy. A nice border doesn't hurt anybody, so you can add a border to that. But if you chain these a little bit on the tighter side, but still, you're able to insert your hook. I think that'll keep the edge as nice as possible. Then turn your work, and you're going to insert your hook into the second chain from the hook. So you're going to skip this last chain that you did and insert your hook into that next chain. Yarn over, pull through. Then skip this first chain that you made, or the third chain from your hook, and insert your hook into the stitch. Yarn over, pull through. And then complete it like a double crochet. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. And this is the first stitch of our row. You can see the horizontal bar there. So we're going to insert our hook into that and continue on just like we did on the previous row. And that's it. You'll keep going until your desired length. I really enjoy this stitch. I'm so happy to have come across it. Please let us know in the comments what projects you end up making. I would love to hear how you use this stitch. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ding the bell so that you know when we upload a new video. And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!